Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so we'll continue the journey. So this is part 5, of the, we're telling you the series of General Starkey, the infamous, celebrity murderer from in the 70s. He was killed on June 1st, 1981 at 32 Love Street in Johnson, the community where I was born and raised. And to this day, the man is like a legend, although the man was a criminal, and that's how it is, and he's the one that youths looked up to, which is wrong, but when you're from a community where there's no positive role models, you're going to latch on to men like General Starkey, and I think that these youth, they think that because people fear them is love. It's not. Fear is not love. Fear is fear, and when people fear you, them hate you, and that's why most of these guys don't live past 25. Fortunately for Starkey, he was 26 when he was killed, and during his adult life, he spent most of his time in jail or prison. Even in Canada, the man get the chance to live in Canada, end up there in prison. 2 days after he was in Canada, he ended up in jail there. I tried to kill someone. Yes, when he at Canada. So we'll continue the journey. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 5. George Brown claim ownership to it, Bibo Passy.
Well, but me tell you, when the war started, Tony Welsh in their jail, George Brown in their jail. George Brown never part of the war there, in their jail.
Mm-hmm.
When him come now, God, them get the whole of the gun them, cause the youth them used to hide the gun them over jungle, The whole of them come over from Bibo side, so them
know which one the gun them there.
Yeah, them carry the man them go show them, so the man them get the whole of the gun them.
Oh.
So when him come from jail now, the man them hand over the gun them to him.
To Welsh or to Pang?
Tony Welsh couldn't come back in there. Pang. Them said Tony Welsh have to come back in there. Him couldn't come back. Him got foreign. Him go away. So them hand over the gun them to him.
Mm-hmm.
I lie, me I tell cause me did there with one of them, so me know everything up front where you go on. So where may I miss out?
No, you said when Pan come back from jail, them give them all of the gun.
Yeah, them hand over the car, them get all of the gun. Them all one night time when me go back up a jungle go live before me come a foreign. I see my brother in the one night. I say, what you doing here?
That's after him get shot?
No man, that's my other brother, my younger brother. That's not the big brother, my big brother. That's the younger one. Proper John.
Who name?
Proper John.
Where him now?
Him live in Jamaica.
Wait. Him used to that Payne Avenue one night time?
Yeah.
Them don't know him, man. Him there somewhere in a Kingston 20. And you know, say the other day me and a man talk about him. Cause you know, suppose I did love him though, and them see him and make him off left Payne Avenue.
Well, him now, them not make him off left Payne Avenue, you know. Me send back for him, cause when I time me get deep. And me come see him in a back to me when me come see him in the lane and a pier 16 in the lane, me be a light. I said, Jesus Christ, John, how you come back to this? Him say, boy, I saw him not no better no day. So me hurry up when him come up back and him tell me say one visa running so go on and me quickly send the money come and say get out of this man. That no sir. So him come a foreign. So when me did down there, when me go buy my house and him there jail up in a what you call this the court, I don't remember what north or south, but I know I'm there jail this up. And him come, before him come, I say, when him come, me and him talk before I come up, I say, listen, now even go back in that, you know, you're a big man now. Them little boy, I will kill you.
Him still go on with things same way. How would them kill female one taxi stand in a doing the park or something like that?
Nobody them not kill fee. My brother is a thief. Him dead and see them kill the man and show the man sell and have the whole pa money. Him thief the man money and so when them tell me I really pop up. So then when take on the dead man, him rob the dead. Yeah,
you see that farm me there me hear them because people still because look here, me know him good on them thing there, you know. Yeah man, come you see that Unsby and them thing there.
If got jail, he can't like him when the police never drive down for him and say, get you with the dead man money. I don't him kill the man or not. I don't know about the film. Him dead, because I know the man, because when the dead, I used to go over the plaza enough time and I see the man. I don't know where I did that.
Hey, boy, people wicked, you know, so them say Papa John kill the man, no.
No, sir. Him dead because the gambling, because them used to gamble out there and them a gamble and him dead when them come kill the man. So him see the dead man pan the ground know so the man because him used to sell pan and fan, you know.
And the man have money, so him just take it.
Them just take the money off of the dead man and I run with it. So it look like him never run fast enough. The police them hold him. And him got jail. Him never.
So what took Keith there?
Keith dead. Him dead over Payne Avenue. I went 93. Him dead in a 93.
But him was Rasta, no?
No, sir.
Tuko Keith, remember, me know him. Can I see him Payne Avenue, man, and we kill him?
Yeah.
I want boy, wait, let me see. This boy with the name Christopher Brown did kill him, you know. Chris Brown. Yeah, man.
So.
But him did dead still, you know, because we did chart him out and them thing there. And the boy who killed the brother was a batty man, you know. Yeah man, when him dead
you said because Keith now him act like say him true him know more like a John tell him say the man left in him give the gun the man said don't make the gun them drop back in the man and when him do him give back the man them the gun so the man them know say him don't have no gun. So what I them send call him now and him have him head back. Cause them man they not really afraid of nobody and them feel like say true them have them bad nobody can do them nothing. They never really have figure say
I kill him.
Hey, they said man will come call him and walk there, the man lick out him head back.
You know, so come on, that's why I say I don't know how a man become criminal because that's a one career in a way. The main characteristic you have to be dishonest, you have to be a liar, you know. So me don't know how a man say him and a man a friend and you trust that the man and you know say him a liar.
Because him just feel like such a him bad, nobody never gonna do him nothing.
No man, that in a work so on him thing there.
But they can't draw upon him say my brother left the contract money with him, but the work they done. My other brother said the work they done. But boy.
Because after that Papa John left.
Ah, boy.
Cause then they want him for dead after. But you know, say every time when him used to go to jail, though, Portia used to come when Michael Manley was Prime Minister, you know. Portia did love Papa John, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. As him go to jail at Huntsby, me I tell you, she come down there. Them time that Michael Manley was Prime Minister, you know. In a 92, 93, you know. And when PJ become Prime Minister now, as so make she stop come down there, and then after that, him in a feel left on them thing there. Because
because him tell me same like them, you said them couldn't control them boy then.
Yeah, because them they keep a meeting with their brother when him Jagado and Mr. T and kill them 2 man there and burn them, and that's why him in a feel left. Because Portia did love them youth them more than him.
So him tell me say when it no come, him know say she the contract come from, but him say him never meet a tree like, you know, the first man, the second man, the third man, like
yeah man,
the nigga man,
yeah man,
and a tree different. Him know say a tree different. I mean I tell him, you have to have a criminal mind for dealing with certain things. You know, so my brother tell me, say one time, in the said lane there, when me come see me in a back to lane there, the room where me live in a. Him say, he live with one little skittle girl out there. And they said, like the man them plan with the girl for come kill him in the house tonight, you know. And him say, in the lane and the girl come. Papa, you not come in your bed, you not come in your bed. And
I must say that weird.
Him have the same thing like me, you know, like them, like him have a guard too, you know, but I don't know how be a man guard, him not just the ancestor them guard, you know. And him say him out there with the man, him tell like, go on in man, me soon come. And she come out back again when she see, probably not coming. And him say, go on man, me soon come. And like the third time now she come, him say, all right, go on in there come, but him a walk behind her and she gone in, you know, but you see when him going, it's like him stop in the yard. And when him stop in the yard, him see Pierre and walk a come on the other side of the fence, because you know a zinc fence.
Yeah man, that's a back to stay.
And it have a trap door, the fence have a trap door. Him know the trap door, him know say, and him wings behind the house. And see the boy, them are coming, and when them come in, him just go down behind the house and go through the trap door and over the fence and watch them. When them coming, them going at the house. And
I ask the girl for him.
Them go for kill. But when them, you know, some of them outside now and a little youth, when used to get the gun them for mass. But if they take back the gun from the little youth, them have the little youth out there and them spread out the youth to the same place front time door there. And them say him start run him. I tell me say him run and end up up. So him say the man some man, him tell the man him through my brother was stick man, him know whole heap of people. So him say the man them come with some 16, them have a small gun a matty. Him say him have the small gun and the man them come and them a look and them not see nobody. Them not see nobody. So him say him frost now, you know, and him like him say 2 man with a 60 like them in them plan now, you know. Cause I know the man them, you know, but him have the shotgun. And him say him bend down, you know, you bend down with your hand over your knee, stoop down with your hand over your knee. And him have the matic in him hand. And him a think and him a say, blood teeth, like, you know, you have meds, and I say, boy, look how me if me go in the house more that dead. You know, anybody will go through that and see that to that frost.
Yeah.
So I'm saying that the man meds, you know, the man them stand up over him with the 16, you know, them say them a go up and works. Them forgive them the gun. And him know say if him hesitate and tell them say them spread him out right there so.
If him never give them the gun.
Right, and him say them forgive the gun because them a go up and works. But him know say I lie them I tell them not go up and works and the gun them want.
And for kill him.
Yeah, no, listen. You have to listen. You have to know the tactics are criminal, you know. They want the gun. And him know because him is a criminal. Him think like how criminal think. Him fast think. When them say, give him the gun because them a go up and works. Him know say, if him it say no and hesitate, them spread him out because them 2 of them stand up over him with the 16.
So him must give them the gun?
So him just get up, see him and just push the gun upon them and say, hey. And them walk away with the gun. And him just go about him business. I never remember him tell me where him go, but I don't remember where him.
Why me frightened entire man tell me say boy Papa John still I say me check say the man me check say him gone that foreign because me know say him the gone foreign after.
Yeah. At 3 times I send for him and about 3 times get it.
So how him come a foreign like him still come a foreign and go with foolishness?
When him get the first time. Him get let me say the first time it was about let me say 91 90 until 91 I think.
Cause him used to run Payne Avenue, you know, him was it done up there, you know.
But with all them things they were reaching, him realize him have to leave it out. Because when me send the money go give him and him get the visa now, he made out
Miss Youngie.
so me don't know she did after because when him come back down, you know, me and him go over there and the daughter they tell us she did.
Because she did have a house up top. A Jonestown she come from, you know, Miss Youngie. And she have a son named Bayer, them kill him, you know. See man, them a Payne Avenue kill Bayer dread.
Me don't know her, but she seems to be a nice person.
Yeah, and she big and fat and black and them thing there. She know me good and from a little boy and them thing there. Cause they make money out of politics, you know, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Miss Young.
One nice house she build, man. One big nice house. The girl them, her pit them look like them not really care it because she have a daughter. And him used to send money come give the woman and the woman used to put in her bank book. It look like true her daughter name. And she used to draw the money and build up for her part of the house. So it look like all that killed the woman when she find out. So she had draw out the money.
Boy, I saw ghetto people still, you know. You can't, when you come on to money, you can't, you know, so they may kill you for your own thing, though. Even your own family, you know.
Right.
Them are nice, man.
So, when I before I come afar, before me there, I'm not town there now. Sometimes I used to go up a jungle still, after me have my son. For I did. I don't know you know hear about Ballad.
No, me
him come from Anatol. He was police. So every one of him going to every one of the acid, all of the special team that him going at.
What him correct name?
Lyde Sims.
Oh, Lyde Sims.
Yeah.
Oh, he was criminal, man. Him come from Craigtown.
No, he wasn't a criminal, you know. Him do everything by the book.
No, man, but I tell you, man. Him
not come from Craigtown, him come from Oxford Street in Barn Grove.
Him tell me say Craigtown him come from and him thing.
Him come from Craigtown.
All I'm at, the next police did kill him, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, let me know like, I know White Waters, man. Him did bad still, though, you know.
Yeah, man, he was a bad police, but one day me see Joe Dog a pass and hail him up. Me and him pass and him stop. Me and him stop a reasoning on Oxford Street and him talk and him breath and him say, and I'm a hail him up and answer and him in a kind of a sinister smile, you know. Laugh, you know, and him say, think me and our friend ask me if you go in a shot and say if you don't get shot. Them man, although him know the man thing, him never take police shot and give them no gun. Me know that.
Yeah, man, me know. No, man, me not talk them way there and them thing now. Let me tell you still, yeah, alright. Papa John, your brother know about Pulpy and them thing there. You see Pulpy, I lie the Sims used to do so. Me I tell you, them man they used to go out some things where Pulpy send them go do and them thing, them man.
Who is Pulpy?
Pulpy, one brother where them kill him 2005. Him was one of man we start. Him one of man. He was not bad man, you know, but you know some man in a community where was like peacekeeper and him.
Where him come from?
White Wing.
Where White Wing there?
White Wing they near to Payne Avenue, man, out of 3 mile.
Oh.
I want to say like the Sims use a power man with Pulpy them man. Them any thief in you see. Anytime anybody get robbed and a big robbery go on and them thing there, right, it always go right back there so to Pulpy. You understand? But them kill him still.
I know because him never in the robbery and them.
No man, like the Sims used to go on. I tell him used to go on with things, man.
I mostly because I over the man girl, you know, they said man tell him to go to the force when them left school, you know.
The man that kill him?
Yeah, cause him baby mother tell me say him hurry up and drive and carry her go work, go drop her off, cause him asleep with the man, woman. And when him come back and buck up the man now, him start war about the man cut leaf over him yard and for clean up. So him never have him gun pan him go thump the man in him mouth. And the man just, when him walk with the man just give him one in him back, and when him turn on him just give him another one in him chest, him crawl, go in him car, go dead.
Because
Lady was a bully still, you know.
yeah, man. I want to tell us between me and you, when you know, so the police were killing man them thing there, because police they don't have to kill him, you know, because Lady Sims is more popular than that the police, you know. Because he was a detective, you know, did bad still low, you know. But them man, although they did bad, then did mix up on them thing. Hey, let me tell us between me and you. Sometimes you know people, but you don't really know the man them thing there. You understand? Yeah.
Me I think never them. I come a friend because I couldn't stand him because him have some little ways where one time I say one of the little youth them in the ear I grab him. Me never see that him tell me. The youth must grab him. Me know the little youth. Grab him sister chain because I have a set of sister, a family will live a jungle, sister and brother. The guy never know say was him sister and Sarah pass for sleeping and grab one chain and every day him take set pan the little youth. Every day somebody say you can't done now. Every day I got to kill him. You know.
You say that a bad detective still doing now. Only a boy like the Sims liquor man.
I mean, I him kill Tarzan and I him kill Juicy Badness. Him kill.
But you know, arrogance why him dead and him thing there. Me and the police between me and you. Me and the police now in a war and them thing there. You see like how some
over girl too and I have a theme girl. But let me tell you, me come down, you know, me come down, you know, me see him up by mother gate, you know. Me stand up on my sister.
You make him mother still live in a get up. How them do it? I see him so a bigger food, you know, him mother dead down there when she eat. My mother couldn't live in a get up from a police or them
let
thing.
Me tell you something. Them old people and them now move gone away. Them now move gone away. Them get honestly the people them when are used to the bathroom inside and the toilet and then them, the government them give them a paradise not to them, you know. I tell my sister always say me wouldn't cure the scheme that I give her for free, me never gonna live up there. Yeah, because the same piece that people them I kill them one another pick them for no reason, and the same set of people them I come from Girling Street and a town. And them from them go up there so them just kill them one another they pick them.
Yeah man, bad mind.
Me not think a bad mind, I think so they dopey them where them chew about the people them in the fire, the spirit them going at them and make them so evil.
Oh, you attack the Orange Street fire.
The arms house killing up where they had the scheme.
You attack the one with Lenky Ride, them and Tony Welch and them people who kill the people. Boy, I tell you. Boy,
I don't think them should have did make house up there, so.
Up a jungle.
over Sliping Road there, where the clinic there. So where arms house there. They should have built
Hold on. Them, when them built house over there?
From cause some of the people that live in a town move go up there a long time.
That's after Willie got dead.
No man, that the scheme that they come used to go down there. Let me tell you, Siago did build the house them. Cause even in Anatone, some government house there in Anatone. So them build up the scheme, but I Siago time it build.
Yeah.
And I say a long time at the scheme bill, man. But if I ask my sister how we share them move up there, but me not really know.
Boy,
the scheme that a long time and a paradise to some people because remember say that the whole you're there Anatona outside the toilet, you have to go outside
the bathroom. You be there. Alright, you know, honestly, you know, what is the thing where you have in a bathroom where you stand up on like crate? What them call it again?
Crate?
Remember something when you stand up in a bathroom for to make it flood, man?
Yeah, remember that when we live with our granny yard.
You understand? And when you live in a tenement yard, remember say as boy, you know, a cistern pipe, you have to be there, because the bathroom, them, you know, right up to in the night, you know, people are being, you know, in a ghetto, you know though.
Yeah, man. Then when we live in a town and no water in the pipe, we go up at the school, Shetola Park School, we be at the
pipe.
Yeah.
Well, I get it, but still, I want things.
I don't think ghetto nice, me, no, cause me never like ghetto living. And me tell a youth when me buy my house, me there with my sister. I come from around But you call around there, so hopeful way there, so. And go down there night time. Him there in England and get the pan him start go down there and get the time and gamble. And him come up at night time and tell me about why ghetto living. I say ghetto living not nice to me.
No, sir.
They like nothing about ghetto living. So I pray. But that's why I make sure buy a house. Cause anyhow, I have to go back to Jamaica. I don't want to live in a ghetto.
No, sir. From me left jungle and go police academy as for train. Me never sleep back down there. I want to tell it. You understand what I'm saying? Me never sleep back down there yet. And number one, just like how the same thing. You see to alright. Just like how you say with Toko Kita and them thing. Me never talk to no man in I ghetto. Cause me know them stay.
Hey, say girl Brown, that a DNA brother, DNA sister, she did the police boy. Police Wayne?
Oh, the one of them what did kill what him name again?
Kunda.
Yeah.
Alright. I can't tell you, What happened was, after them mamas them run away and call, we did already done Anatone, me and my sister. And when them run with mamas them, when I scale joke down Kunda the night with him finger and take a Kunda gun, Kunda go over.
So Kunda never knows scaling and a gun him use and stick him up.
Him never know. Him joke down Naya. But down Naya that a scale like a brother with a gun. And scale just come behind with him 2 fingers and say, give me a gun. And him scale take him gun. So it pissed him off now. So I saw them go shoot up mama's them house the night. But none of mama's family them never did. Paul Pang, baby mother did that one one of DNA brother, baby mother, sister, one little handicapped girl did dead the night. So them run we come down Anatone now and we know mama's long time and thing and we used to make she sleep in our house. Me give her my bed for sleep and thing and me that talk to Million Teeth at the time. She made have him license gun.
But he used to go like him a police though, though.
He wasn't a police. He used to have a license gun 3 months. I don't know if I 3 months had shim. Shim's is still syrup place.
Yeah, man, I know, man. On Orange Street.
So the 2 of them used to, every lunchtime, and so them used to come in there. So when you saw him come in, him tie up him head with that towel and him stressed out because when it happened the night, him in at the bar, and Kunda come in there and take him said Kunda put some pill in a one and buy the white rum and drink, throw the pill pan and take the pill them and take out him friend. I don't remember the man name now. Out of the bar and carry the man go there, kill him in a Price Street, shoot him, and I made how much time. Him says like every time him says like the memory can't come out, I made him can. It's like him a go mad. Every day I'm coming at the house and I said tie up him head and I go and see him. So one day I look at him and I say, you have the government gun and them have illegal gun. Why you cannot do nothing about it? And him say, what you mean? I say, I know what I mean. You in the police force, the police more than them, and I your license gun, you have a legal gun, if you go kill them, and you used to come in here every day about you mad, make it mad you. Don't do nothing about it. And him say, say true you talk. And Million Teeth and him start talk, and him say, yeah man, a true man, and them I say, yeah man, every day him ride. Like them I say every 2 o'clock him ride and go down a Greenwich Park.
Down a June go eat fish.
Go look. Me don't know if a junior him go look for this girl named Sharon or something or something like so. So them say, yeah man, we're gonna send them start program it now. Them have because them time they have no phone, me don't know how them do it, but like them have somebody.
Yeah man, hey, trust me.
Them have somebody program every day. Every day them program, man. That's why if you go anywhere you drive, don't drive that same way you go home every day. Don't walk that same way because people want to them program you. And me don't know how them was gunman and them him never know that. Every day like clockwork. The same time, you don't know what you have to do. If it gonna kill you if you don't do nothing about it. So him and Million Teeth agree and say, yeah man, a true man. And them did it till one day, them come in and say, today it had go down. And them go away. And when them come back, them tell the man, him are the hardest man them ever see if he did. Them shoot him off of the bike, and them shoot him all when him say them in the Jeep. When them throw him in the Jeep, them a shoot him till not dead. Them say the hardest man them say for dead.
Hey.
And you know, say him have some nephew. One of them did go, and my sister tell me say, one boy where they made kill and them I say a police kill him and some people up on 9th Street. About a year ago, them I say my sister say I'm sister pick them cause so them come bad and the boy where they made kill down at Craigtown and down at Piers Road. On the spot it have him pan him thing for how long. Now remember where him name now, but on the spot where you know, put him on him program after I'm dead. But my sister make me know how him dead now is the boy we dead where there. Him make that guy dead because him half of the radar car on the spot never know where him there cause them as him come from jungle but nobody now on the spot of you and I say them don't know him in a hiding. But I don't appear like him there. That girl don't appear the road and under the radar. So the boy when him shitty pang or whatever pang now.
Yeah.
So check him. And you know, all the ghetto stays like him have the gun. Then make a girl a pilot him out for go put him in the taxi. Him know one at the time like him want hold on and take away with the girl.
But you know say Kunda him you know say him did have a son though where them kill him used to power with Vibes Cartel at Waterford, you know.
You know, I don't know them generation, I know him because
the boy did live from a party man, him name Sean.
Him them wicked, me tell you, send me go up there.
Them used to live a jungle too, you know, and him black and him have big and him have.
Me never interested to know them. Me know the one when he mama Mikey Kunda, him did there with Merlin. She'd have a nice little girl female, though she dead up here. And me know the liquor brother. And me know him and me know the one where used to walk barefoot. Me see them and know them, but me never interested if you know them. Cause the same day me I go a jungle, me hear say Rima man kill girl over jungle. Me say bullshit. Which part Rima man I go jump a Trenchtown fence and come kill nobody up there so.
But thank you. You see, so you can't think though. You know, say people them in a might come in a jungle, you know, so them can't think though. You know, so
they know the truth, but that are just the camouflage for show off everybody, and them will come they will come look by your body when them know all them man or them pick me or overkill them. Boy, I mean I know that somebody of them not come from Portia.
Boy, I tell you, talking to you is like a long time you know and them thing because I saw it going like get off for real, you know, just like what you say, you know.
When me I go, I mean the Cook Street, them say dead river man jump Trenchtown school fence come kill one woman. Me never go look, me never look at me just go up there, me no care if you know me, but me know a lie.
Yeah man, them my best liar them and I
so wait now, the same house where the girl did live in there, my brother did get the man goatee and me put my bed in the living room with my and start living the car. Me that still I never like how my sister with the yard where my sister did living over Crook Street. So me come over Mexico now, so me come over there come put up my bed in the living room and I sleep. So one country girl used to the side of the yard, she always a wash and so she come there with her I help her sister with her pit name. She named Danny. I never forgot Danny. Danny could have made me laugh. So one day, me sit down at the stoop with me picking them now. And she say, I appear dopey in your house in there now. You never seen a dopey yet. Me say, what? Me say, what you mean dopey in there? Me never seen a dopey. You don't see the dopey them in there? Me say, no. Yeah, no. And in there, the girl did live where Kunda kill. Me say, what? She said, yes. She said, the girl, she showed me, say, across the street, she sit down. She used to go over there, evening time, she used to be there.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 5. Yeah, you're hearing for yourself, General Starkey cousin, telling you about the history of the community so you understand how those who are not from Jonestown, Concrete Jungle, or the ghetto and understand how, the ghetto in, because those of you who do not know, the birth of criminality is Jonestown. Not anywhere else in Jamaica, Jonestown. That's where the birth of criminality with Burry Boy and fed them up. the first known dons in Jamaica, yes. And they think that they were larger than life. Fed 'em Up was killed after he returned from Cuba. Michael Manley, yeah man. Michael Manley took Fed 'em Up and Borough Boy to Cuba, and official government business. Yes, like they are government official. These are murderers, you know. So when they're telling you about Michael Manley, that Michael Manley was all this. Michael Manley was a terrorist, whether or not you want to believe it. But Jamaican people can't handle the truth, and they don't like to hear the truth. They like when you lie to them. Yes, that's why this channel, as we say, you know, look, we're not here to massage people's ego. We're just here to tell you the truth. Michael Manley wasn't a statesman. Michael Manley was a criminal supporter and enabler, and one who destroyed many thousands of lives in Jamaica with his criminal intention, because he wants to be prime minister for life in Jamaica. He did not want a democratic society. So, you know, those of you who open your feelings, especially the Sheep Nation. The Sheep Nation is not only affiliated with Vybz Kartel, they are all over the internet. They just like, and that's why some of the bloggers, they are very successful, because they know that Jamaicans are liars. They love and enjoy when people lie to them. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you won't get that. So, sorry to say, but you won't get any lies over here. We're just going to tell you the real mama papa truth. We're not going to tell you any lie for Edward Seaga, or Michael Manley, or the PMP, or the GLP. We're not going to do that. We're just going to tell you the real mama papa truth. So we have come to the end of part 5. Part 6 will be coming up shortly. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.